Hi, this is Gina. Welcome back. So I am a minimalist packing person, or at least I think I am, until I come to a weekend. We're headed to Chattanooga this weekend for our anniversary, 35 years. And so I'm working on, does the Sudoku packing work? I don't think it works every time. I also don't think my capsule wardrobe works every time. And I'm coming up to this weekend and finding that my normal strategies are not working. And I think it depends on the things that you're planning to do. So I'm planning on taking a hike in Chattanooga up at Lookout Mountain, going to 3 restaurants, staying at a bed and breakfast, and then also going to Rock City. And so I'm having trouble. Let me explain to you my trouble. Let me show you. So the first time I'm filming in my bedroom, the lighting is not the best, but I'm hoping it works out well. And so stick with me. So first of all, we're going by car because we live only about 2 hours away from Chattanooga. And so I'm just wearing a denim tee, a belt, got some Time and True Walmart jeans, and then I just have some New Balance sneakers. And so I'll get multiple uses out of these, I think, on my trip. And so my first quandary is I gotta pack something for hiking. So I don't bring hiking boots so much anymore. I wear my On Clouds. I got these at Marty and Liz. I thrifted these. And so I've got my On Cloud hiking shoes. And from Costco, I have some hiking pants that actually fit my length because I think they're supposed to be cropped. I'm 5'3", but my legs are very short. So these actually go down to my ankle. It's supposed to be 80 degrees and sunny. I probably will get hot in these, but if we start out earlier, then I'm going to be cold. And I don't like to be cold, so I'm going to have my pants on. And I just have a little graphic mountain tee from like Amazon. Just something that I don't mind getting a little sweaty in. And so I have my t-shirt, my hiking pants, and then if it is in the morning, this is a little Costco zip-up jacket. It's actually that Spider brand, which I thought, Spyder, I thought that was a little more exclusive than Costco, but I don't know. I did get it at Costco. So I have a zip-up jacket because it is chilly. We are in a chilly season in the morning because it's spring and we can wake up, it's 50 degrees. And that's the prediction for tomorrow. Today's Friday. So 50 degrees in the morning, I'm going to need a jacket. So I need a kind of a sporty jacket that I don't mind getting a little sweaty. Then I can put it in my little backpack that I'm going to carry. So here's my hiking outfit. Well, I'm not going to wear these hiking pants out to dinner. So this is really just for that one part of my trip. So I have a pair of shoes. So that's 2 pairs of shoes already. And so then for the restaurants, I can wear these jeans again, but I'm bringing a backup pair. So I've got a black pair of pants that can go with what I have planned on wearing. So if I wear the black pants, I'm going to bring a black belt. I have a tank top. This has a built-in bra, which is pretty amazing. So that saves me on getting a little too hot if I wind up being too hot. So this tank top will go underneath one of these 2. This will go on top. This crochet look is really in style right now. I'm seeing it in a lot of places. And this is a crochet style sweater. So it's a very light sweater. So these are the 2 things I have planned on 2 different restaurants. But I can wear it with 2 different pair of pants. However, I don't want to wear the same jacket that I have planned. So let me pick up my jacket. So the jacket that I'm bringing to hike in, it's more fitted. I found this jacket for $13 on Amazon. I think this would go well if I want to wear this denim shirt again on maybe the return trip. What I like about it is these wide arms. That means I can fit my sleeves in. I cannot stand it when my sleeves pull up. And this olive green goes with a lot of things. It's a little bit cropped. I have to get on my tippy toes. It's a little bit cropped. It has a nice zip up. I'd like to order it since it's only $13 if they're still in stock. I would like to have a cream style color in this, maybe a pink or a mauve. And so this would go well with those 2 little crochet sweaters if I'm still chilly, because in the morning it gets chilly, but also at nighttime it gets chilly. So I think I would like to I'm going to bring this. And so looks like I'm not much of a minimalist at this point for this weekend. I think I can pack better for Europe than I can for the weekend. And so this one's going to go in the suitcase. It's really soft. It's got a little neck. I like that because it's not up on my, because I get makeup on some of my collars. So I like the collar as well on this because then it doesn't hit my chin, get makeup all over it. So this is one of my favorite purchases, and $13. Okay, let's pack what I have so far, which I feel like is just a menagerie of things. So it's rare for me to bring like 2 jackets somewhere. I'm not going to use my packing cubes this time. I just don't feel the effort going. So I've got my hiking jacket, my hiking pants, and a t-shirt to hike. I've got my shoes. Which I put in a bag. That. I have on my pair of jeans that I'm wearing in the car. Here's a black pair of pants. The tank top. 2 different options to go on top. And I think I might bring 1 more pair of jeans. The only thing is these are longer than my leg length, so it means I need to bring another pair of shoes. So I think I want to bring my sandals because it will be 80 degrees. And so these are some Teva sandals that I got at Binks when they were having a clearance during the summertime. Well, it's into summer. And so normally the Tevas are pretty expensive, but I got them for a good deal at Binks. I suppose doesn't matter on a weekend if you overpack, if you're not really going past a carry-on size. So that gives me 3 pair of shoes, except I would only wear these hiking. I've already got like the underclothes in here. And then I just need my jacket that I plan on wearing in the morning early. Throw my extra belt in there for my black pants. And I think I'm done. So what's your opinion on packing? So on a weekend trip, does it really matter? Do you have to be strategic on everything, or can you just throw in what you feel? This weekend, I feel like I just want to throw in what I feel because I don't want to wear what I'm wearing hiking even to Ruby Falls, because I do plan on making a YouTube video, and I'd like to look a little nicer at Ruby Falls than I do hiking. And then when I go to the restaurants, I've got 3 picked out. I would like to look different there. It's like I kind of want to wear the striped crochet sweater on one time and then the white one on a different one. So does it really matter if you're going for the weekend? Do you have to be so strategic? Do you have to worry about everything? This time I'm not. This time Sudoku's not working. Capsule wardrobe, I don't really feel the need to. When I pack for a week-long to 13-day trip, I think it really matters. But I'm letting things go. I'm 56. There's some things that you need to not worry about so much, as long as you don't forget some important things. But then again, I'm also not going to the desert where I can't go shopping if I forget something. So I could always run by Walmart or some store and pick up something. And so, you know, you can let things go. It's like I need to let it go, not worry, and enjoy myself. So we're going to go celebrate our 35th anniversary. We're going to stay at the Chanticleer Inn. It's a bed and breakfast we've stayed in before. It's really beautiful. We're going to hike somewhere on Lookout Mountain. I've already picked out a couple of hikes on my All Trails app. With our bed and breakfast, I always say Ruby Falls. The Rock City tickets are included with a little memorabilia barn. They're known for, if you're from the South or you know anything about the South, you know the Rock City barns. Comes with a little memento with that. I don't know what the size is. And 2 tickets. It was an extra $99 to go and get the 2 tickets and the little barn. And then, you know, enjoy our restaurants. One's a breakfast one, one's a dinner one, and then there's a dessert place I want to go to. And then I come home, I have to be dressed for a birthday party. So that's why I'm not going to come home in like sweatpants or airport wear. I'm going to come home dressed for my granddaughter's first birthday. She turned 1 on the 7th, and we're having our party on Sunday. So I'm going to come home dressed to go straight to the party. So thank you for sticking with me, and maybe leave some comments about what do you feel about weekend packing. Just go with it, or do you try to be very precise? Thanks for watching.